Hello everybody, welcome back to Barrel's Garage. What do we got going on today? Well, we're going to finalize that fuel tank for the 1968 Mercury Park Lane. Okay, so we've had it boiling now for, well, what is it, today's the third day actually, about 3.5 days. That's plenty good. We're going to pull the rod out, clean it up, and pressure wash it, and hopefully this has done the trick. So here we go again on the shutdown procedure of how to get the rod out and all that good stuff. You know all I'm talking about. Let's cut to the meat and taters. Here we go. Okay, here we go. All the way down here, we disconnect it. Then we come up here, disconnect the ground first. Away. Get up here so you can see me. And away. And we pull the rod. Here we go again. Very carefully so it doesn't hit the sides. And we got all kinds of goober nasty on it. Again, you can see how it just sucks all that rust up to it. But I notice I'm not getting a lot here on this side, and I'm not getting so much down here on this end towards the isolator that was at the bottom. So I think she's done. Let's give her a go. Yeah, nasty. Now find a place to dispose of it where the wife won't know. Okay, hello everybody. We're back. I've got the tank all drained. It kind of makes a mess. I forgot to hit the button on that. So you missed all of the nasty water that came out of it. But that's pretty much what it was. Just water colored like that. Lots of it. Anyway, I took the water out and I disposed of it properly and it's gone. Alright, so let's get to pressure washing it. Here, I'll show you. Okay, just like that. I'll try to get a view inside of the tank. I don't know how well it's going to pick it up. I tried before with the camera and it doesn't like it, but I'll try. Okay, we're back. We got to neutralize all the rust that's inside of that tank. Hope you got a view in there. I haven't checked footage yet. But what I'm going to do is I got to seal it back up again. So here we go. Let's put that sending unit plug back on. Pretty simple, just a hammer, a good chisel, screwdriver, whatever you got. And we'll go ahead and reuse the old gasket again. Seems to be doing just fine. The sending unit. Now we just go the other way. Just about there. Right there. The way you tell when it's good and seated is after the 5th time you've hit your thumb, it's right in there. No, I'm kidding. There's little stops on it. You just turn it till it gets to there. Okay, here we go.